Why to purchase a PDF software if you can do everything for free? In this video, I will share with you a completely free to use PDF tool, JOPDF, using which you can read, edit, compress, split, merge, annotate, convert, password protect, and a lot of other essential things without paying a single penny. You can also install it on your Windows, Mac, or Linux so that you can use it locally on your device. The best part, it is light, quick to respond, no annoying ads, no watermarks, and no signups needed. Now let me quickly demonstrate how to use this tool. Suppose you want to read a book or a research paper or any other such PDF document. Using JOPDF, you can easily read the paper. The left panel shows each page for quick navigation. Now if you want to highlight important text to read it later, you can use highlighter option, which provides different color options. If you want to take down the notes on your own, you can easily do that with the sticky notes option. Using the typewriter, you may enter a specific text within the PDF file. When you move the cursor over each of these options, you can read what these options actually do. Selecting this option, you can see the annotations or remove the annotations at once. Then you get a variety of ready-made stamps that you may use. For example, if the document is confidential, a draft, or approved, you may choose from these stamps. Here are other basic features like underlining, striking the text, and others that may also be used to focus on the important points. This is especially useful if you want to take the printouts of these documents. Coming on to some very useful features that you might be interested in. When you click on the page, you get option to rotate the page, split the PDF file to multiple individual files, or compile multiple PDFs into a single file. Suppose you want to make an attachment of files for an application, or email it, or if you want to take the printout of multiple different PDFs, it is much easier to manage if you merge them all into a single file. You can simply drag the pages to reorder them within a PDF file to make all the pages appear in the right order. And if you wish to convert PDF document to various easily editable formats like Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, you can use the options given within the Convert tab. Now let me show you how to convert this research paper PDF to a Word document. For this, you may need to install plugins for file conversion and other advanced features, but those are free too. You can see how easily I have converted this PDF to Word file that can be easily edited. Similarly, if you want to convert the PDF into various other formats and vice versa, you can simply add the file here and it will do the rest. You can use the edit feature for editing documents, like for correcting the mistakes in invoices or adding logos or your signature. This way, even without having original document, you can make necessary changes within the PDF. If you want to reduce the file size, you can use the compress option. It provides different level of compression to choose from. You can see even the compressed PDF file is of good resolution. This feature is useful especially while uploading big files in emails or websites which have a size limit. Now this feature is really important. If the file has some confidential data, you can password protect it. Simply click on encrypt and set a password. Next time when anyone tries to open it, it will ask for a password. Under edit feature, you get the option to change the font type, font size, color of the font, make the text superscript or subscript, change the alignment of the text, alter line spacing, letter spacing, and much more. So that's it for the today's video. Do mention yes in the comments if you are going to try this tool. Its link is given in the description. And if you want to know about any other free to use tool, do write to me in the comments. You can subscribe Explore Bio if such videos are relevant to you. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video.